Hi guys, so one of my Clamp No Kiseki orders have arrived. So let me open to see the contents. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I thought it was like used or something, but it's like mint condition, sealed in this thing, sealed in this case. It's volume 10. I wanted this one because it had Phi, and I wanted him to be with Kurogane Boo. So let's see how I should get this cut open. So happy. Yeah. Once again, these are the other volumes you can get. Ah, so cute. It's the back. That's just the extra sheet of paper thing. Oh my gosh. Yes. You guys have no idea how excited I am. And keep this case. Yes. I thought there would be like the other one had another little case seal inside, but this one does not. Okay, well first I'll show you the figurines. Just the brightness. This is the witch Yuka, or Yuko, I forgot her name, from xxXHolic. She also appears in Tsubasa Chronicles. I'll take her out first. I'm so happy. I got this for so cheap. Okay, I'm gonna have to remember this seller for future purchases because it is awesome. It's mint condition. I thought I bought a used one, but apparently it's new and really good quality. Just look at that. No scratches, mint condition. Paint job is excellent. It's not dirty. To this, okay. This piece, for this piece, her sleeves are the rubbery parts. Yeah, her sleeves. It's rubbery. And the rest is solid. She's the queen for the black chest pieces. And yeah, back view and everything. Nice. Okay, next is this pawn. It's a white Mokona. Oh my gosh, I love it. I have the black one. I have one black one. And now I have the white one. It's cute. It's a pawn. Look, it has a partially eaten apple. It's so cute. I think the apple's the rubbery one because the texture is different. It's so nice. I love it. That's a little earring piece. You can see. Okay. Next, my main reason for getting this. Right. Okay. Thought this was falling off because not the entire thigh is not glued down. It's just his legs, and yeah, his jacket is not. Okay. Now let's look at thigh. Look at, he has this little whatever you call that, wand, magic stick. Bishop. He's a bishop, and I love him. Look at him, such good quality. Oh my gosh, just keep on touching it. Now he can be with his Kurogane Boo. I'm so happy that this was mint condition. I was actually worried because, yeah, other places sold it new mint condition for like $30 plus shipping, and I was not willing to spend that much. I was willing to spend $20, which is how the original price for the American Clamp No Kiseki ones cost. $20 in America. It's probably $15 or something in Japan, but in America it cost $20 for the English translations, and I was cool with that. But they didn't have that. They sold it for $30 everywhere, and it was so expensive, so I opted for other versions, and then I came upon this one, and this one was actually one of the cheaper versions, and the cheapest actually version. And I was worried, and I was like, okay, maybe it's used, that's why it's so cheap, and I was worried about the quality of it all, and I messaged them like, was the paint chipped or not, and they said no. But to my surprise, I was thinking it was gonna come in like separate plastic bags or something, but to my surprise, it was brand new, mint condition, sealed in that box. And so I'm really happy. I paid only, I'm just gonna give an estimate, I'm rounding it, so like $5. And it was the best thing ever. I'm so happy. I'm gonna look at the seller for all of his other items and just buy from him from now on, because it's such amazing quality for mint condition, brand new, not even used. And I thought that's what I was expecting because I paid so cheap for it. And so yeah, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, he's with Chronicle. Okay, volume 10. Here is the front cover. That's a bit bright. Just the brightness. Front cover. There's the witch from xxxHolic, and I think his name's Watanuki. I don't remember because I didn't read xxxHolic. I read like a bunch of other clamp mangas. I read all the other ones. I haven't read xxxHolic yet. So let's see. It's gonna talk about these stories. Okay. Now. Back view, it's the same. Yeah. Cookie Pop, I'm so happy, and this time around I didn't scratch it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yes, I think Legal Drug is like some shonen ai thing. And so I'm really happy. And apparently this witch lady is pretty, you know, she's pretty boss. So I like it. Alright, let's... First time looking. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, I'll show you guys. Here's Watanuki. So pretty. Oh my god. I was right. His name is Watanuki-kun. Yay! And who's that? I don't know, but show another one. And Sakura with the witch. Sakura-chan. Oh. And she's with Cloud Reed. Here's the Mokona. Yuko-san and Cloud Reed. Yep. The moon and the clouds are the central design. Oh. Okay, and this one. Switch with that. Oh, this one has a lot of nice pictures in the front. Other time, it only had 2. Only 2. This time it had more. She is the dimensional witch when they first encounter Sakura and Lee. Alright, let's see what else. Let's see. Okay, Legal Drug. I read too much BL. Okay, I thought this was BL. It's B4 size. Okay, here are the characters. Oh my gosh, this has so many pictures. Poster like illustrations. I'm so happy. I've never read Legal Drug. I don't remember if I have. I don't think so. I'm gonna go back and look for it. Legal Drug, 2 boys, That. I shipped them already. Oh my gosh. I'm showing you guys more than I did in the other Clamp No Kiseki review. Oh my gosh. Because it was my first time last time and I could not think straight. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Ooh, look at that tattoo. Let me read. I have not read it. Something a blush. Okay, I don't know. Oh my gosh. The yaoi is feeling this one. Oh. Oh, I love this book. Yes, there's just so much I love about this. No regrets. No regrets. Okay, here it talks about the characters. Special powers. You can just pause it. Because my hand is tired because I'm holding in my iPad, using my iPad to record. So, yeah. Let me read now. That could Kaze Haya Kudo dude and this Kake dude look alike. I can't wait to read this. God. So cute. Look out for volume 11. I already have it. I have it. So happy. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. So happy. Yay.